Hello friend, today we are going to discuss the new reaction from organic synthesis, that is Reiter's reactions. Reiter's reactions. In here it is chemical reaction that transform nitrile into an N-alkyl amide using various electrophilic alkylating reagents. In Reiter's reaction, there is conversion of amide from the nitriles by using alcohols and strong acids. There is use of alcohol and nitriles in presence of strong acid like H2SO4 to form amide. Suppose these are the molecules R, NH, C double bond O. These are the R2 general groups known as N alkyl amide. These are the final product of this reaction. Now general reaction, the alcohol like anyone primary, secondary or tertiary, and generally there are use of tertiary alcohols, but here we can use the general alcohol molecule, that is we can specify as R1 reacted in presence of nitrile. Again these are the alkyl nitriles. The R can be specified as R2, C triple bond N, alkyl nitrile reacted in presence of acid catalyst, that is use of strong acid like H2SO4, and for hydrolyzation use of water molecules to form the product of the reaction, like that is R1 NHC double bond O R2, formation of N alkyl amide, final product of these reactions. Now the mechanism of this reaction, that is possible or proposed mechanism for these Reiter reactions. In here there is electrophilic attack take place. Mechanism, step first, formation of carbocation, formation of carbocation. When the alcohol reacted in presence of acid catalyst, like suppose here use of the tertiary alcohols or primary secondary alcohols, like R1, R2, R3. These are the tertiary alcohols reacted in presence of acid catalyst like H plus ions. The H plus ions from H2SO4 is source of H plus ion donor. Here the oxygen containing non-bonded pair of electron abstract H plus ions and to form the molecule like R1, R2, R3, OH, 2. This oxygen contain positive charge. Therefore, the elimination take place, that is elimination of water according to E1 reaction. There is elimination of water molecules with its bonding pair of electrons to form R1, R2, R3. The center carbon contain positive charge, that is formation of carbocation ion. Step second, the reaction with alkyl nitride. Step second, reaction with alkyl nitrile to form the intermediate like nitrillium ion. The reaction with alkyl nitrile to form the nitrillium ion. Here the tertiary carbocation ions or carbocation ions like R1, R2 and R3 tertiary carbocation ions reacted in presence of nitrile, that is CH3. Here the nitrogen containing non-bonded pair of electrons again act as the electron donor toward the electron deficient carbocation ions to form new bonding between the electron donor and electron acceptor, that is R1, R2, R3. New bonding between N triple bond C CH3. The nitrogen act as electron donor, therefore the nitrogen contain positive charge, that is electron deficient center. Therefore the triple bonded electrons, the one of the bonded electrons shifted toward the electron deficient nitrogen atoms and to form molecule like it is R1, R2 and R3. N double bond C CH3. Here the carbon contain positive charge due to the shifting of carbon nitrogen bonded electron toward the nitrogen atoms. Therefore carbon is electropositive. Now this electropositive center can be hydrolyzed by using water molecules. The water molecule oxygen containing non-bonded pair of electron donate toward the electron deficient carbocation ions to form R1, R2, R3. N double bond C here, OH 2 CH3. Again, this oxygen contain positive charge due to electron donor toward the electron deficient carbocations. This type electron deficient oxygen, therefore this bonding electron abstract from the oxygen hydrogen electrons to form R1, R2, R3, N double bond C OH CH3, which can tautomerize like this bonding electron shifted toward the oxygen carbon atoms to form single to double bond, and then the carbon nitrogen bonded electron shifted toward the nitrogen atoms. There is electron rich abstract these H plus ions to form the final molecule of the reaction like R1, R2, R3, N, EH, C double bond O, CH3. That is formation of N alkyl amide as a final product of this reaction. These are the practice example. Write correct mechanism and product of this reaction and then send answer.